A wingless, wheelless aircraft has been detected in the sky. There are stick-like creatures with faces and black top hats. Do not approach them, as they will shoot you. You must have the following items: water, a radio, medicine, food, a telephone, and batteries. It is believed that the creatures come from the aircraft. Please keep your family and pets safe. God bless you.
This is the next message broadcast by radio. The aircraft is called an airship and crashed in the cities of Miami, San Francisco, New York, Mexico City, and Dallas. Please keep your family safe. We'll continue with the next message.
It is believed that after the crash of the aircraft, it released creatures with colored letters on their bodies and top hats, and their faces are white. They make sounds. Please listen more to the radio.
This is a national emergency investigation of the ship. Apparently, the creature's name has been discovered. They are called stickmen. Since they wear top hats and use pistols and weapons, please remain calm. Here are the sounds, but they are very loud.
Este es el mensaje español emitido para el gobierno de los Estados Unidos. Se cree que una nave en el cielo fue detectado cayendo en nuestra nación. Esta nave se llama dirigible que onda en todos los lugares de otros países. En uno de ellos cayó en nuestro país. Por favor, mantenga la calma y no tenga miedo.